Hello everybody, this is Joni and I'm standing looking at my newest creation. This is what I fixed for Easter for my dining room table, and it started out with a big long piece of styrofoam, and I'm surprised I would even go near styrofoam with my last endeavor with it, but I went ahead and chanced it that it wouldn't be as hard as the other was, and it wasn't. It was more like the styrofoam that I've always used. But this is what I got. I was at Hobby Lobby, and Tanya and I were down there shopping, so I saw this big long slab of styrofoam, and I picked it up. Didn't really know at all what I was going to do with it, but I thought, well, I can always cut it in sections and make bases for flowers and things out of it. So I brought it home, and when I got home, I started thinking, well, I have all those flowers that I'm wanting rid of. So why not go ahead and put flowers in it and decorate it with it. And then I knew that I had two rabbits, bunny rabbits, that I had bought. And they were praying rabbits, little bunny rabbits. And I knew that I would love those. But as it turned out, I had gotten three. I got the bigger one in the middle, and then I had two of the smaller ones. So I thought, well, just go ahead and put the three bunny rabbits in there, and then fill around them with the flowers. And I think that you probably will like that. So that's what I did. And it turned out, I think, really pretty. It's long, and it took me probably about 2.5 hours to put the flowers in, because I was picking out what I wanted and what I didn't want. And so I just went ahead and kept the flowers that I had. A lot of them are from Dollar Tree, but then I had a lot of flowers too that I had left over from before, and I used those as well. So my stash of flowers are not as big as they used to be, and I'm going to go through them now and even get them down further, so because I don't want them sitting around anymore. So I'm just trying to give you a picture of it on all the sides so that you can see how it looks from the different angles. And I think it really looks cute. Those little rabbits look adorable praying. And then I used the Easter eggs, and I used the little small round styrofoam things that look like Easter eggs. And then I took pieces of ribbon, the real thin ribbon, and I took it and cut probably about, I'm going to say 3 inches long, and then just put some wire around the end of it and stuck that down in there. And I think that that looks pretty on it too. But I really like it, and I hope that you guys will like it. And it makes a really pretty centerpiece. And as far as using it, fixing something like this just for Easter, if you had different decorations and things that you could use in it, it's just whatever your imagination would tell you to do. It's you could do anything you wanted to with it. But I think that it turned out pretty, and I like it. So I'll let you guys go, and but I wanted to get this up so that you could see that I wasn't just sitting again, because I am making the videos again. So I will see you on my next video, good Lord's will. Bye-bye.